I just bought this 2016 GTI Mark 7, but the first thing I noticed on the test drive was the check license plate warning light on the dashboard. And in this video, I'll show you how to reset that notification. It's caused by the license plate bulbs itself, so I'm going to change them out and see if the message goes away. In the back, there are two bulbs that might be causing this issue, and these housings pop out pretty easily by pressing on the small tab. There's not much slack on the wiring, but twist the lens cover counterclockwise and it'll slide right off. I have regular tungsten bulbs installed here, so I'm going to replace them with these Phillips side marker bulbs. Here you can see the part number, but I'll list this in the description so it's easy for you to find. To replace the old bulb, just pull it straight out. Then line up the contacts and push the replacement bulb in. Now I can slip the cover back on and change out the other bulb too. I'm changing both bulbs because I'm not sure if one or both are causing the warning light. I've heard of people switching to LEDs here, but those too can cause a license plate bulb warning. So for now I'm going with exact replacements. The funny thing is that both of the old bulbs were working, so I'm not sure why they were causing the dashboard warning. I've also heard this is an issue with Audis as well. Okay, so the new bulbs are in, so let's give this a test. It looks like the license plate bulb warning is gone now that I've replaced the bulbs. So if you're seeing the check license plate light warning on your Golf or GTI, fresh bulbs will help fix that problem. If this video was helpful, please give me a thumbs up and hit the subscribe button to stay up to date on all my weekly videos.